There are 11 different lines that you can get even if you have bad credit. And you're definitely going to want to stay around to the end because I have a 90-day challenge that's going to show you 8 steps to building your credit, the different lines, as well as 20 different lines that one of my clients used to go from zero credit to getting approved for over 1.5 million in less than 11 months. But let's start with the basics. Number one is the Chime Builder. This is a secured card, and I love it, even though it is secured, because it has a $10,000 limit. It acts like a debit card, and it's impossible to be late. They're the only ones so far that I've found that has this feature. So instead of you having to go and pay your statement balance and all that kind of mumbo jumbo, they're going to do it for you automatically. And so you will never have a late payment on your credit report. Number two is Self. Now, they have installment and secured, and you can graduate from secured to, which is absolutely great. You can also even check your credit score on their site. Number three is any credit union loan, and this falls under installment. And most credit unions offer a builder loan for about in the neighborhood of $1,000 or so, where you basically set up a savings account that's going to allow you to automatically pay it, and it's just going to sit there and build your credit. Now, number four, you might not have heard of before. It's called Cushion, and this falls under bill reporting. And this allows you to centralize all of your bill reporting or bill payments. And we go and read a little bit about it. I'll tell you exactly what this site has to say about Cushion. You do need to attach a bank account so that it can automatically pay it, but it allows you to centralize all of your BNPL payments in the app and build your credit history when you pay them. Now, there's also Cushion Pro, which organizes all your bills and your bill reporting and then reports all of these transactions to Experian. Now, the main advantage of Cushion over Self is that the Cushion app is a one-stop shop for all of your bill and BNPL payment needs. So let's go check out number 5. Number 5 is actually Kickoff, and this falls under like Self, secured. And one of the things I love about them is that they have a financial education center, and they also have Credit Builder Loan and Credit Plus Cash Card. The Credit Builder Loan becomes available after you make your first successful payment, and unlike Self, their Builder Loan doesn't charge users any interest or late fees. So when you're considering the two of them, you may want to take a look at Kickoff. Okay, so the next one is actually going to be Ava. You probably haven't heard about this one either. What makes this one unique, and this is considered a builder loan, is that it only has a 2.5K limit, but it forces a 1% utilization max, which means you can only use 25 per month. Now, what's the point of this? The whole point is that credit utilization accounts for 30% of your credit score. So if you use less than 30% of your available credit limit, then credit utilization becomes a positive factor. Use more than 30% and it pulls down your credit score. So that is the entire point behind that. All right, so check out number 7. Number 7 is Experian Boost, and this falls under bill reporting. So this is actually identical to Self for bill reporting, but this one is free and Self's is like $6.95 per month. So you're going to want to check those out. Also, they differ in who they report to. So Self reports to TransUnion while Experian, of course, reports to Experian. So number 8 is Builder Cards. Now, I don't even give out my affiliate links for these anymore, but it's basically like a $200 max secured card. And you can actually get 2 of them because you can become an authorized user on someone else's card. Number 9 is going to be Stellar Fi, and this also falls under bill reporting, but it furnishes to all 3 bureaus. That is definitely a plus there. Now, we have some other lines that we're going to go look at. We have Experian Smart Money, and Experian Smart Money is a digital checking account that includes a debit card that integrates with Experian Boost. We have Rent In. This is a company that allows both renters and landlords to report rental payments as a way to build credit history for renters. And then Rent Reporters is the same thing. BoomPay is a rent reporting app for tenants, and Pay Your Rent is an app that allows tenants to pay their rent to the property owner directly through the app with a credit or debit card or e-check. One of the things that I did not mention, because I didn't, for whatever reason, create a card for this, is Credit Strong. Credit Strong actually allows you up to an $18,000 installment credit builder loan. Has a crap load of interest, but it's definitely something that you may want to check out. Now, if you do want to access the 90-day challenge that has all of these different lines and the different steps to building them, in addition to the 4-page credit sweep cheat sheet and these 20 different lines that allowed one of my clients to build up to $1.5 million in credit approvals, then you're going to want to go to my Telegram channel where you can access all of this for free. It is sendme2.co/Telegram. All right. And if you want to see if I can do a credit sweep for you, use that link at the top of your screen, my740.com, and I'll see if I can do a credit sweep for you. But that is it for today.